Are you tired of manually sending every single invoice email? Learn how to schedule them in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up an invoice email schedule in Zoho Books step by step. Open Zoho Books. Next, click on the Sales tab to access your sales records. Then, go ahead and click on Invoices. Now, open the invoice dated July 26, 2026. Click the arrow next to Send. Then, select Schedule Email from the dropdown. Click Add New. Then, click on the Recipient field. In this example, select sampletest@gmail.com. Finally, click Update to save your recipient. Pick tomorrow, end of month, or end of week. Click Schedule to confirm. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.